In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble your full-sized Sosta Bed platform and how to attach the legs. Assembly should take less than 15 minutes to complete. It is recommended that you assemble the bed on a carpeted surface. To assemble this bed, you will need a hand drill with our included Phillips driver bit or a Phillips screwdriver and the included 4mm hex bit or hand wrench. A rubber mallet can also be helpful to make parts sit flush. If you are using a drill, make sure that the clutch is set to a low setting such as setting 3 or 4 to prevent stripping the screws. The bed's hardware kit includes 18 Phillips screws, and if you ordered the legs, you should also have 10 hex screws. The bed platform is comprised of 2 long sides, 2 short sides, 1 support rib, and 2 slat rolls. If you ordered the legs, you should have 2 left legs, marked with an L, 2 unmarked right legs, and 1 center leg. Start by laying out the long sides with the flush face pointed outward and the grooved face pointed inward. Starting at one end, fully insert the side tabs into the slots on the end rails. You can do this by hand or with a rubber mallet. Repeat this step at all 4 corners of the platform. Next, take 4 of your Phillips screws and screw one into the pre-drilled hole of each corner of the platform. You can use a screwdriver or a hand drill. Take the support rib and line up the hole on each end of the rib with the hole in the center of each end rail. Take 2 of your Phillips screws and screw each one through the top of an end rail and into the support rib. With the webbing facing up, align the slat roll holes with the holes in the bed sides and support rib as you lay the slat roll onto one side of the bed frame. On the side of the slat roll near the middle of the bed, insert the tip of the first Phillips screw through the slat roll hole and into the hole on the bed side. Screw down until tight, then repeat on the other side. Now pull the slat roll tight and repeat near the end of the bed. Next, screw the slat rolls into the support rib. Repeat this process with the second slat roll on the other half of the bed. If you are not planning on attaching legs to your bed frame, then you are done. Congratulations on your newly assembled full-sized Sosta Bed platform. If you do plan on attaching the legs to your bed frame, follow these next steps. Start by tilting the platform onto its side. Using the 2 smaller hex screws, attach the center leg to the pre-drilled holes in the middle of the support rib. To properly attach the remaining legs, ensure that the left legs, marked with an L, go into the slots on the bed sides that are also marked with an L. Each remaining leg is attached to the bed frame using 2 of the larger hex screws. Once all the legs are attached, set the bed down. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your full-sized Sosta Bed platform and legs.